You got any plans tonight?
I'm just gonna, I gotta kick back, take it easy, and just maybe go to bed early.
Lies. You're in the garage, playing tiny chunks with your homies. Tonight, we are testing a brand new release from LGRP, the Trail King MT version 2. 65 millimeter badass. Okay, so I've had some LGRP tires in the past, and on our rock and our terrain, I haven't had that great of luck. So much so that they've decided to completely redesign this tire, recompound this tire, and they frickin' nailed it. The rig you see running, this is Ric Flair. This is a Profit Designs Echo V2.5. Isn't it pretty? Ric Flair, we know the deal. Anyway, so it's been running basically since its birth on 65 millimeter comp pins and done really, really well. And when they mentioned they're coming out with these tires in a 65, it was a natural, like, you know, hey, we gotta have that. And look at it, right? Yeah, look at it. It's good. It's a good tire. Look at them work. They feel real similar to the J Concepts green compound as far as, I don't want to say just like the initial sticky, but even once it's dirty, it's still got some bite to it. The carcass of these tires is probably half as thick as a J-Con, which, you know, those are thick tires. They take some weight to flex them. But these, the LGRP, is wicked conformable. So we could run, you know, lighter, softer foam. They just bend and flex and grab and twist and do all the things, that actually work. So they actually perform. And B, they give you all that super rad look that we all like lust over. And you see that little bit of tire wrap and that squish and all of that. Oh, it's so good. But instead of talking your ear off, I just want to thanks for watching the video. If you've even made it this far to hear me tell you, thank you. Stay till the end. There's some really good lines to pull. Watch these tires work, please. I'm blown away. These are staying on it. Like, period. These are staying on it. I hope they do more of their lineup in this compound, this carcass thickness. It's frickin' mint. Anyway, back to the tunes. Remember when I mentioned about how good these look and they do all the cool things that we love to look? Watch that tire. Look at that thing. Yes. Go, 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 go. Oh, so good. Let's not even discuss that turn up, climb, pivot thing that just did. This Echo, though, it odd, right, wrong, or indifferent. Man, it's moving like water, moving like a Slayer. In fact, look at the inside of that tire right there. Look. Yes. God damn it, that's good shit. Also, we've reached the point in the video, ladies and gentlemen. It is time for a mandatory safety meeting. You know what that means. Today's safety meeting was brought to you by Maddie B. Stackers, a fantastic rosin. Oh, yeah, let's get a little bit of that right there. Dr. Dabba performing the duties. Now, I expect most of my watchers are friends, and most of my friends should already be at the meeting or should be following closely and enjoying a meeting of their own with me right now. Oh yeah. So, come on, give me some feedbacks. Oh, look at that. Look at that fucking nerd. Look at that nerd following me. Yeah, what's up, boy? Can't wait to see you kick some ass tomorrow, Scott. You got a fight on your hands, buddy. That's right. PD Nerd Clash. Boy, safety meeting time. Yes. Yes. Oh my. Watch this. How smooth and controlled. Look at the bite these tires got. They're not giving up nothing. They're just like, okay, we're going to walk you down slowly, buddy. Yes. Dude, look at this thing work. Woo-wee! That was a fucking briefing. Ooh. Glad I got the memo. Dig this. Check it out. Check it out. Look at that. Oh yeah, fucking wrinkle that tire, buddy. Oh, God, this rig is good. All right. Time in the video. While you watch this climb. And then the descent on the other side, which is just as tasty, by the way. Shout out time. All right. Look. Interesting day yesterday. Danny B. Butler built 24s. Also, you know, love you, bro. Thank you for everything. Thank you for pushing. Thank you for planting seeds. Thank you for being my homie. Love you, buddy. I really appreciate you. Kyle, shout out. Prophet Designs. You know, thanks for watering the seeds, buddy. This should be fun. And I look forward to more. Can't wait. Some of the new stuff is going to be really, really rad, and I'm super excited for it. Because of Danny, I've been able to watch from afar, but see inside the window that most can't look in. So, thanks, man. This will be fun. I appreciate it. So, all the dudes, John, thank you for building a spot for us to play on Thursday nights. This place right here, this video, this is a highlight of you and Zach and Danny and Garrett and everybody that's helped you build this. Thank you, guys. It's super rad. And while my shit is here on the table right now, blinking out on a dead battery, but I still want to finish this maneuver. So it's got to beep and shut off, and then reset the throttle, and then go back after it, and then shut off and go back after it. We're still gonna look at how it moves. Fuck me. Oh, it's good, guys. I love you, dudes. No homo. You need to go buy these tires now.